welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are fine and healthy. Today I'm going to do eating one color food for 24 hours challenge. This challenge is difficult, but I'm going to do this challenge for only you guys to make you guys happy and entertained. So let's get started. Let me tell you the rules. So the rules are that there are some chips in this bowl. So I have to pick one chip from the bowl, and the color which will come in the chip, I have to eat from that color. Guys, I'm so worried because I haven't planned what to eat, and I wish some easy color comes. Let's see. Let's pick. Okay, so this chip I have picked. Let's open. Oh, it's yellow color. Guys, you can see yellow color came, and I haven't decided what to eat. So guys, it's 10 o'clock and it's breakfast time, and in breakfast I'm going to eat egg. I know egg is white, but I'm going to eat the egg yolk. It's yellow. So let's go and prepare. So guys, here I'm putting some water for the eggs. So now let's put the eggs for boiling. Here I'm boiling 2 eggs. Now we will leave it until. So guys, my breakfast is prepared and I'm also dressed up according to the challenge. I'm wearing yellow color outfit. Guys, you can see how yummy the breakfast is looking. Guys, I will eat the yellow part of the egg yolk, you can see. So guys, let's eat it. It smells so good and I'm so hungry. Let's start eating. It's also good. Let's put some salt and pepper to make it taste more better. Now let's drink some juice. Guys, the juice is so tasty and so refreshing. Now let's finish the breakfast. So guys, now I will meet you after finishing my breakfast at lunchtime. Welcome back guys. It's 2 o'clock and it's lunchtime. And in lunchtime, I'm eating biryani. Thank God I'm eating something good, because in the morning the breakfast was so bad. Now I'm eating biryani. It's my favorite. I love biryani. Let's eat it. It smells so good. Literally so yummy. Guys, you know, usually when I eat biryani, I also drink something like Coke or some soft drink. But today I cannot drink because it's yellow food color challenge and all the drinks are colorful. And you know guys, the biryani is so spicy. I wish I could drink something. But literally it's so amazing. So guys, it's snack time, and in snack time I'm eating a yellow color lace. You can see guys, this lace is so yummy. I love this lace. So let's eat it. So guys, let's finish it quickly. So guys, my snacks are finished. So now let's meet you at dinner time. So guys, it's dinner time, and in dinner I'm eating noodles. You can see guys. Oh my god, how yummy the noodles are looking. I'm super excited to eat them. But guys, my tummy is so full. I can't eat more. Because since the morning I'm just eating. And now I don't have space in my tummy to eat these noodles. But I have to eat it. And I will eat them for you guys. Don't worry guys, I will finish them. So let's start eating. Guys, you know, usually we used to eat dinner in our lounge watching TV. While watching. They're so yummy. You know guys, this challenge was the best challenge. And guys, if you love this challenge, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. And guys, if you will not press the bell icon and subscribe, you won't be updated with my new upcoming videos. So don't forget to subscribe.